it's all geared in a way to try to make a package that's usable for a client to submit from a regulatory standpoint and create consistency in product so it works from patient to patient. And I think the key things we are looking at are, I mentioned scale up of say bioreactor scale up. The bioreactor scale up, going from small scale all the way up to, in our case, we're now working with 5,000 liter bioreactors. That's a really important part of the shift in the technology because, again, this is what's helping to create enough dose for larger IV administered patient dosing. Cost of goods drop because we can actually produce more virus in a single run and, actually meet the needs of larger rare diseases too. When we think of rare diseases, I think we think of 100, 200 patients, hemophilia. There are others that have actually quite a large, thousands of patients that have it. The next area that I'm become really interested in is analytical tools and automated instruments or analytical measurements. They're now rapid. They're the fact that they're automated takes out a lot of the human factor out of it and really can do high throughput testing for a lot of number of samples. So I think the scale up, automation, closed systems, so we're avoiding problems with aseptic processing. These aren't new terms, but the evolution of them are really being pushed now, and I think creating a system that's usable on a smaller footprint and getting to larger volumes. So.